If you're considering Merritt bookkeeping for your accounting needs, there are 12 things you should know before buying. While it may seem like a great option at first, it's important to weigh it against other competitors to find the right fit for your business. Let's dive in. The first thing to note is that Merritt Bookkeeping offers a simple, flat rate pricing model, which is appealing to small businesses looking for transparency. You'll pay a fixed monthly fee without worrying about hidden charges or fluctuations, unlike some competitors that can hit you with unexpected costs. Next thing, the service is entirely cloud-based, which means you can access your financials from anywhere. This is especially useful for businesses with remote teams or those that need to stay connected on the go. However, some users report that the user interface feels outdated compared to other more modern tools like QuickBooks, which can be a turnoff for those who prioritize sleek design and ease of use. The third thing is its core offering, bookkeeping. Merritt Bookkeeping does the heavy lifting for you, handling the day-to-day tasks of categorizing transactions, reconciling accounts, and preparing financial reports. But compared to competitors like Xero or FreshBooks, Merritt doesn't offer much customization. So if you need something tailored to specific business needs, you might want to look elsewhere. The fourth thing is the lack of payroll features. While Merritt Bookkeeping covers basic accounting, it doesn't have built-in payroll options. So if you need that functionality, you'll have to pay for an additional service. This could be a deal breaker for some businesses that require seamless payroll integration. The fifth thing to keep in mind is their customer support. Merritt Bookkeeping provides access to a team of professional bookkeepers, but support is primarily via email. This means you may not get immediate answers if you need help fast. Competitors, like QuickBooks, offer phone support, which could be more reassuring for businesses looking for quick resolutions. Next thing, you're getting professional bookkeeping services without hiring an in-house accountant. That's a big selling point if you're a small business or a solopreneur, but it also means you're somewhat reliant on external services. It's important to note that while Merritt Bookkeeping is helpful, it doesn't have the same level of personalized, in-depth financial analysis that you might get from a dedicated accountant. The seventh thing is the level of integration. Merritt integrates with popular apps like PayPal, but it's more limited than other software solutions like Xero, which allows for a wider variety of app connections. If you use other financial tools, you may run into compatibility issues. The eighth thing to know is the reporting features. Merritt Bookkeeping provides basic profit and loss statements and balance sheets, but it doesn't go as deep as other tools like QuickBooks, which offer more advanced financial analytics. If your business needs detailed, customizable reports, Merritt may not be the best fit. The ninth thing is that Merritt offers a relatively hands-off approach to bookkeeping. This can be a double-edged sword. On the one hand, it frees up time for you to focus on running your business. On the other hand, it's not as hands-on as some competitors like Bench, which provide more regular check-ins and a closer connection to your financial health. Next thing, Merritt doesn't have an extensive knowledge base or help center. While their team can help with questions, if you're someone who prefers to find answers on your own, you might be frustrated with the lack of resources compared to competitors like QuickBooks or Xero. The 11th thing is the flat rate pricing. While it's simple, the cost is not necessarily the cheapest option on the market. If you're looking for budget-friendly options, software like Wave offers free accounting services, though it doesn't include the level of bookkeeping Merritt provides. And the 12th thing to consider is that Merritt Bookkeeping is a good fit for small businesses, freelancers, and solopreneurs who need a hands-off approach to bookkeeping. If you're a larger business or have more complex accounting needs, you might find better value in other tools like QuickBooks or Xero. In conclusion, Merritt Bookkeeping is a solid choice for small businesses looking for simplicity and transparency. But if you're after more features or customization, you might want to explore other solutions. If you're ready to try a better option, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.